everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log into Viber. If you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon for instant notifications from us. Now, tap open the Viber application installed on your device. If you don't have it downloaded yet, then go to your Play Store or your App Store and search for Viber and download it on your device first. Once you have the app, tap it open and from the very first interface, tap on Start Now. If necessary, select your country from the drop-down. Once you do that, type in your phone number in the next text field. Now, tap on Continue. Confirm your phone number by tapping on Yes, or if you have typed in your phone number incorrect, then tap on Edit and edit your phone number before moving on. After you're done, tap on Yes from the pop-up and allow Viber to access to your contacts by tapping on Allow. Similarly, allow access to your phone calls. Now on the next page, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner. If you want to restore your chat history, tap on Restore Now, or you can skip this step as well. Allow Viber to make and manage phone calls by tapping on Allow again. Allow all the access that you need, and there you go. You've been logged into Viber just like that. That is how you can easily log into your Viber. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll surely be back with more tutorial episodes again. See you again soon.